Bukod sa sports at music, may isang activity pang pwedeng pagkaabalahan ang mga kabataan ngayong bakasyon. Yan po ang pananahi na naglalabas ng creativity ng mga chikiting. Silipin yan sa balitang hatid ni Isay Reyes.
Swimming, basketball, martial arts. Ilan lang yan sa patok na hobbies tuwing bakasyon. Pero sila Gia at Kiara, iba ang trip. Maaga silang naghanda para pumasok sa isang sewing school. Dito, imbes na sports o iba pang physical activity, tinuturuan sila ng fashion at dressmaking.
Why don't I teach the skill to kids? Because it's something I know that is fun to learn. So it's something that they can be very confident about.
Ang mga chikiting ang bahalang pumili ng pattern, tela at pati gagamiting klase ng stitching o pagtahi. Tamang-tama para ma-develop ang kanilang natatagong creativity. Ang 12 years old na si Gia, pangarap maging fashion designer paglaki at ngayon pa lang, kitang-kita na ang talent niya sa iba't ibang designs.
This is a reversible beanie. It's perfect for now because it's already summer and it's really hot.
Ang 9-year-old naman na si Kiara, nalilibang daw tuwing nananahi. Ang plano niya pagtanda, magtayo ng boutique.
I like the signing, so here we can also talk to each other. We can make friends.
It's something that they can be very confident about. They're able to show off, you know, the little things that they create here in the studio, and it's nice because it's not only something that, you know, usually you'd buy from the store and then, you know, you show your friends. This time, they really made it themselves.
Isay Reyes, GMA News.